Ensure to review the manual included with your Hyperbath before preparing for your first session. This will allow you to become familiar with the process and what to expect. To help prepare for a comfortable, relaxing experience, ensure you will be comfortably seated with whatever items you may want readily available during your session within reach. In addition to your Hyperbath and included supplies, we recommend having a couple of hand towels or paper towel for placing under the bath and to wipe the feet post-session. A small pitcher or bottle of water or wet wipes or a wet rag to rinse the feet off from any sediment left over at the end of your session. Some of our alkaline water or herbal tea, perhaps something to read. Many of our users enjoy listening to music, ebooks, or even a podcast to add to the experience. Included with your Hyperbath is our far infrared belt wrap. This is optional, but it is recommended to enhance your Hyperbath experience while boosting benefits overall. You can also use it as a treatment independently. It's most popular to place around the low back while seated, but you can also place it around the knees, the neck, shoulders, really any chronic areas that you may want to target more directly. To use the far infrared belt wrap, simply power up your Hyperbath and plug the belt power lead into the designated connection on the front of your device. Push the infrared heat button to activate and select your desired setting between low, medium, or high. In prep for your Hyperbath session, place the unit on a towel and line the cavity with one of the provided bag liners, aligning lengthways and folding the edges over slightly to help secure the bag in place. Leave the controls accessible to plug in the array and the power cord in a later step. Next, fill the bath approximately half full with very warm to hot water, as it will cool slightly once you put it into the bath. Check the temperature for your level of comfort. Next, add the array, plugging it into the top of the unit first, submersing it in the water to ensure that all of the coils are under the water level. Now plug in the power cord. Plug it into the wall, then turn the device on. It'll take a few seconds for the device to initialize. Place your feet in the water. Press the start button. Be mindful of the amperage. Ideally, you want to be operating between 1.8 and 2.2 amps. If you are below, add sea salt in small increments to bring up the amperage. Stir with the feet or the array. Again, check the amperage. And add more throughout the course of the session should you find your level below 1.8. You do not want to exceed 3. Once your session is complete, turn off the power and remove the power cord. Rinse or wipe the feet to remove any sediment remaining on the feet and the ankles. Place them on the towel on the outside edges of the bath. And simply dry the feet with additional towels or paper towel. Your bath is complete.